Today I went to go use my soldering iron, and I forgot I burned the tip out. So I don't have a tip. So I went online and they're about 14 bucks roughly for a new tip. Well, I need a tip today, so what I'm gonna do is I got some 10 gauge wire, residential 10 gauge. I cut it roughly 6 inches. Get my old handy tool. Get it close to the center. I just eyeball it. And we're gonna bend this thing in half, or close to half. So it looks like this, a little U. Then we're gonna crimp that U down. Make it into a little point, kind of like that right there. Then I'm just gonna bend this tab up, leave the one side straight. I'm gonna just bend it up a hair, and then I'm gonna bend her over. So that it looks like this. Get it close. So it looks like that. Now my ends are a little longer. So we're just gonna snip the one end off so it's even, or close to even, and it's not rocket science, it's just gotta be close. There. Close enough for me. Now we're just gonna put this thing in our gun here. Plug it in. And I'm gonna get some solder. Let's see if it works. Get her nice and hot. Well, that works pretty doggone good. And it saved me 14 bucks. So next time you need to get a tip, grab some wire off the shelf and make one yourself. That simple. Have a good one.